Hello, Mr. May I talk to you?
Yes, you may.
What's your name?
My name is 𝐿𝐬𝐬𝐻.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is 𝐿𝐬𝐬𝐻. What's your father's name?
My father's name is 𝐿𝐬𝐻.
Okay.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is 𝐿𝐬𝐻 Begum. And what's your mom's name?
And my mother's name is 𝐿𝐬𝐻.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Raungbaria. So what's you from?
I'm from Pumila. I born and brought up here.
Okay. Now, are you living now?
Now I'm living at Mohammadpur in Dhaka. Now where are you living now?
I'm living Dhaka, more exact Mohammadpur.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
A lot. I love traveling a lot. So do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I traveled many different places like San Martin, 𝐂𝐧𝐠, Rajshahi, 𝐶𝐵, Sitakundo, Chittagong, and many more places. Okay. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking and I'm trying new dish every day.
Okay, what's your favorite club?
My favorite club is Real Madrid in Spain.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Do you like eating out?
Not often. I prefer homemade food.